name's Ty Ledbetter. I'm captain with the Conway Fire Department, and as a firefighter, we take care of people whenever they're sick or injured or their house is on fire. If their house is on fire, we're going to go in and make sure that they get out safely, and we're going to put the fire out. And today I'm here to read Cypress Knees and Tupelo Trees. It's written and illustrated by Kathy Melvin. Meet the knees of the cypress trees, supporting the giants of the canopy in a swamp full of plants and animal diversity. The air bubbles trapped under the water strider's feet help him skate across the water to find tiny bugs to eat. Arrow arum sprouts out of the water and up from the ground where water strider skates around and around. Under the water are the swift swimming shadows of the slender black spotted top minnows. Look out for mud critters with 2 claws and a tail, like red swamp crayfish who snacks on aquatic snails. Dancing and darting in search of a date, ebony jewel-winged damselfly lands delicately on cypress knees, finding a mate. Guarding from high above, powdery blue male pondhawk keeps others away, while below, bright green female pondhawk lays eggs up to 9,000 a day. Another giant of the swamp is water tupelo tree with its furrowed bark and buttresses holding tight. Waiting near is great blue heron with her long legs and broad wings ready to take flight. At the water's edge, hanging tight to Tupelo tree, sits white-banded fishing spider hunting for insects, tadpoles, or other prey he may see. Climbing up Tupelo tree are the trumpet-shaped flowers of crossvine, weaving up the trunk in and out of the branches as it intertwines. Cajun chorus frog hides in vegetation and lays her eggs in the water without hesitation. Broad-banded water snake hangs onto a tree branch and watches for prey. If startled, he will drop into the water and quickly swim away. Look out for skillful beavers building and playful otters splashing around. Listen for the chorus of birds, frogs, and other animal sounds. Skink is a lizard with shiny skin and a detachable tail. When attacked, he leaves his tail behind to distract predators so he can prevail. Mississippi mud turtle is dark and smallish with 2 stripes on his head. If captured, he gives off an awful musky odor, causing a predator to be misled. Up in the trunk of a giant dead tree, wood duck's nest can be found. From high above, day-old ducklings jump down. Listen to the tap-tapping of red-bellied woodpecker high in the tree, holding onto the bark. Holes left in the trunk are his hallmark. Smooth alders are shrubs with long male catkins that dangle and sway in the breeze. The female catkins resemble small stubby cones that hang tight to branches through winter with ease. Virginia sweetspire with its long drooping flowers in the summer is another shrub to behold. At the beginning of fall, its bright red leaves start to unfold. Prothonotary warbler is a sight to be seen with its bright yellow color flying from branch to branch and foraging over the open swamp water. From a tree shrieks the barred owl with its monkey-like cry. If it spots a frog, crayfish, or bird for dinner, then off he will fly. Sitting camouflaged at the top of Tupelo tree is the rare bird-voiced tree frog who can be heard but not seen. Virginia creeper and poison ivy are 2 vines that climb high into the trees. Virginia creeper is harmless with leaves of 5, but watch out for poison ivy with leaves numbering 3. The swamp is a mosaic of plant and animal diversity, including the giant Tupelo tree and the cypress with its living tree knees.